Solve means to work out the varied letter. In this case, I'm working out the value of x. We never like dividing in mathematics. My first step is to work out the lowest common multiple, i.e. the first number that appears in the 4, 3 and 6 times table, which in this case is 12. I'm now going to multiply my full equation 3 by 12. Looking at my first fraction, I know 12 divided by 4 is 3. Hence, I'm going to have 3 lots of my numerator. In this case, 3 lots of, in single brackets, 3x minus 2. Looking at my second fraction, I know negative 12 divided by 3 gives us negative 4. So I've got negative 4 lots of, in single brackets, 2x plus 5. And on the right-hand side, I know that 12 divided by 6 gives us 2. Hence, I've got 2 lots of, in single brackets, 1 minus x. Expanding each single bracket, looking at my first bracket, I multiply the term directly outside by each term directly inside my single bracket. So 3 times 3x gives us 9x. 3 times negative 2 gives us negative 6. Expanding my next single bracket, I take the term directly outside the single bracket, always include the sign, and it multiplies each term directly inside the single bracket. So negative 4 times 2x, that will give us negative 8x. And negative 4 times positive 5 will give us negative 20. And on the right-hand side, expanding my single bracket, again, I multiply the term directly outside my single bracket by each term directly inside. So 2 times 1 will give us 2, and 2 times negative x will give us negative 2x. Simplifying the left-hand side, i.e. collecting like terms, here I have 9x subtract 8x, which will leave us with single x. Collecting my number terms, here I have negative 6 subtract another 20, which will simplify to give us negative 26. And on the right-hand side, I've still got 2 minus 2x. As I'm solving, I want to get all my x terms on one side and all my number terms on the other side. As I've got positive x on the left, therefore I'm going to do negative 2x from the right across to the left-hand side. If a term goes across an equal sign, it changes sign. So the opposite of minus 2x is we're adding 2x to both sides. On the left-hand side, x plus 2x will simplify to give us 3x. I've still got the negative 26. And on the right-hand side, it still equals to 2. As I know, negative 2x add 2x will cancel. Now I've got x on the left, I want my number terms on the right. Hence, I'm going to do negative 26 across to the right. If you move a term over an equal sign, it changes sign. Hence, the opposite of minus 26 is to add 26 to both sides. On the left-hand side, negative 26 add 26 will cancel. That would leave us with 3x. And on the right-hand side, 2 add 26 will give us 28. As I'm solving for x, I know a number in front of a letter means to multiply. Hence, the opposite of times by 3 is I'm going to divide both sides of my equation by 3. On the left-hand side, 3 over 3 will cancel, to leave us with single x, exactly what I want. And on the right-hand side, I've got 28 over 3.